Hi, friends, and welcome to Best Book Reviews by Kathy Weaver. You've probably learned by now that I definitely don't read to you or give away the books by recording each chapter, verse, etc. I do want you to know that the books that I pick, again, are either the books that the authors have sent to me for review. The great news is I have not had a bad one yet, which is pretty awesome, or the ones I purchased myself. So that's why I wanted you to know how I have chosen these. They've been recommended by a trusted friend, or again, the author sends me their book for review so I can put them here on this particular playlist. Now, many of us throughout our lifetimes have been on weight loss journeys, health and wellness journeys, improved health journeys, detox journeys, improved diet journeys, whatever that looks like. Now I'd like to share with you a story of a success couple. All right. I want you to be able to see the book cover so that you'll always know you're getting the right one. This is called Wonderfully Well. Wonderfully Well. How we lost 132 pounds and helped our bodies heal. And this is by Celeste and Phil Davis. They are healthy lifestyle coaches. I actually know Celeste. I've been with her on various Zoom calls. But one of the first things I wanted to point out is it's spiral. Look how thick it is. And it's spiral. Why is that? Because there are recipes in here. And hello, this way you can put them in your recipe stand or lay them flat on your counter, however that works in your specific kitchen. But I thought that was genius. Spiral right here. Pretty cool. Okay. Very colorful, very animated, very amazing book with a picture of Phil and Celeste actually on the back cover. So some of the things that Celeste actually talks about is some of the meals that she made for Phil during their weight loss journey. And Phil cooks too, which is kind of cool. And then you celebrate. Don't forget that part. She's got in here a big section on celebrate. Celebrate 6 days a year. Celebrate 1 day a week. Celebrate 1 day a month. What does that look like? What's a celebration meal? And what's a celebration dessert? There's all types of things in here that I was very surprised about. Okay, how do I use stevia? All right. Everything is very specific, which I, of course, love. Baking with honey. Is that a sugar substitute? Where do I buy the type of things that Celeste actually recommends? Then grains and especially wheat may offend your body. There's types of things in here, as I said, pictures of success stories, which is nice. I won't show you those pictures because they're in here in the book specifically. The toxins that are present in our lives. Oh my gosh, as you might imagine, there's quite a list in here. A detox program. And it's not a drastic yikes kind of detox. It's doable. Everything in here is very doable. And that's why I wanted to share this part. Okay. After the first week, I felt so wonderful, like myself again. I don't want to ever go back to feeling the way I did before. How many times have we said that? I just wanted to share this book because not only did Phil and Celeste lose 132 pounds and their bodies were able to heal from joint pain, from fatigue, from brain fog, all those things that we suffer from. She talks about some of the things to eliminate, how long it takes most of us to eliminate these things from our diet. There's step-by-step instruction in here. So it's not just a good luck, hope you lose weight too. The recipes. Now, for many of you who know me, I don't cook, but these are actually doable even in my kitchen. How to make fresh muffins every day. What? You've got batter in your fridge that all you have to do is fill a muffin cup. And now you've got a fresh baked muffin every day. Most people make a batch of muffins and then you have them and they're dried out and disgusting. No, this is amazing. Chocolate chip zucchini muffins. What? Yeah. Okay. As I said, Celeste is very specific, and this is pretty cool. Obviously, she wants you to give your body a break It's a 28-day detox. Obviously, she mentions water, one of my faves, of course. Drink 1/2 ounce per pound of body weight. That's recommended by most of us. A sample dinner. Okay, what does a sample dinner look like? Leafy green salad Dijon mustard vinaigrette, butter bean hummus, carrot and celery sticks, black bean salsa with guacamole, quinoa, pumpkin seed crunch. As I said, these are things that are actually doable even in my kitchen. An Asian sprout salad. The dressings are amazing, and she goes through exactly how to make these. Cranberry vinaigrette. Can you imagine how delicious that is right off the bat? As I said, I get so caught up in this. How to choose the right meat. Let's think about that. A lot of us who are carnivores, you instantly think in terms of what meat should I buy? Lean meat. What does that look like? Just think about that. Think about it. And then processed meats, maybe what to avoid. Lunch meat, hot dogs, sausage, and ham. Nitrates, they have health consequences, perhaps. So every single thing is spelled out in this book. And again, I think one of the fascinating things for me, it's spiral. The cover is glossed, so it actually wipes off. Again, it's in a kitchen, so that's a great idea. And if you like a lot of spice, if you only like a little spice, Celeste breaks it down step by step, the best thing for you. So I just wanted to share that right off the bat. Some of the things that you can think about when you're, what do I cook? What do I do? What do I this? What do I that? Wonderfully Well by Celeste and Phil Davis, Healthy Lifestyle Coaches. Be sure and check Amazon for this and definitely their website. I would love, love, love for you to think about this from a long-term standpoint. First of all, you can Google Celeste and Phil Davis because they really are everywhere as far as healthy lifestyle coaches. But I also wanted to share that it's so fun to be able to know other authors. It's so fun for me to get my books autographed. I love that. So go ahead and go to thewellnessworkshop.org, thewellnessworkshop.org, get your copy, talk to Celeste and Phil themselves, and be able to say, I have a specific something. Can you help me with that? I don't like quinoa. Can you help me with that? And then you can be able to tailor this particular journey with some of the foods that you like specifically, and they'll be able to work those in for you. I just seriously love this so much, and especially the fact that it comes with recipes. So again, please consider Wonderfully Well by Celeste and Phil Davis. And we will see you actually next time on Best Book Reviews by Kathy Weaver. I wonder who's going to send me a book this week.